Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's lunar blue. Under the hood's a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the E-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. Up front we do have a illuminated star, so at night the star lights up. This also comes with the sports wheel package, which is going to give you a sports body styling, 19-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. It's also going to give you the bigger brakes up front. For our interior, we've got a macchiato beige MB-Tex interior, panorama roof, ambient lighting in the front and rear. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power tailgate, all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, this one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, a keyless entry and keyless go, a nice burl walnut trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we have our new design touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, our radio, wireless charging and USB port, our command center for infotainment center. This vehicle has 33,490 miles, Carfax and service records available. To view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.